Yo, what's up, boys? LuhKey here. Today I'm gonna give you a little fix for the people who have 60% keyboards. Now, as you can see, there's no numbers or anything like that on the sides. This is a small keyboard. I got it off of Amazon for like 40 bucks. My favorite color wave. It's fucking badass. But basically, it's RGB. If you haven't already seen the video, I recommend watching Robbie's tech tutorials. It's pretty good. I'll link it down below. This is what kind of helped me. But I saw that a lot of people were still having problems like myself. But basically, if you hit FN, that's your function keyboard. Let me see if I can. If you hit your function keyboard, that will that's kind of like your starting point where you can do multiple things. For example, well, let's get to how to fix your stuff, and then I'll show you how to use it a little bit more. But if you hit FN and spacebar for 3 seconds, these two, it will factory reset your keyboard. And if that doesn't work, then you can try FN and then hitting escape, hitting those two for 3 seconds. If it doesn't help, you could also press FN. What helped for me at the end of the day was I hit FN, and then I don't know if you can, let me change the color wave because I was having problems with I wanted my keyboard to look rainbow again, not just full red. I thought there was a problem with it, and then I broke it and it didn't work. So I hit FN. You'll see that W lights up. Z also lit up for me. So just look at the things that lit up for you. But I held function Z, and let's see what that does right now. Oh, I have to have it on off mode to the computer. So right now I just turned it to off to Windows. So I'm gonna hit Z. As soon as I hit Z, let me just put it right there. Hit Z, and then I'm gonna go FN Z, and then that'll start blinking red and blue. Then I went to up here, and then I switched it from on to off, and then that started helping my keyboard. That's it. It just started working. It's on the off function. I'm sure there's a fix to not have it fucked like that. But, you know, another function to fix what I was trying to fix. If you hit FN and then you hit the caps, it'll change how the setting of the keyboard. I'm going to switch it to one that I like. I like that one right there. But, yeah, and if you want full colors, just hit function and caps lock, and it'll do full colors. And I believe that if you turn it off, for mine specifically, turn it off, and then you hit function, I'm gonna make it all white. Oh, I missed it. I'm gonna make it all white, so then when I turn it on, well, technically off, it'll go to that color wave. When I turn it off, if I'm right, it should turn all white. Nope, it didn't. It fucking stayed with that color wave. But yeah, that helped me, and hopefully that helps you guys. So like down below, if you're having problems, comment down below so you guys can help each other out. So if you have any fixes or anything like that. But I'll talk to you guys later, and peace out. Oh, and also sometimes restarting your PC just helps, or going to device manager, or unplugging and plugging back your USB, but USB-C. But I'll talk to you guys all later, and peace out.